Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a cheaper ChatGPT 5 subscription. I found a really simple trick to save money on your subscription that I'm going to share with you. You'll see it's really easy, so don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe, and let's get started. So as you might know, the premium version of ChatGPT costs about $20 a month or 23 euros if you live in Europe, etc. And that's still quite a significant amount, but I found a great trick to get the same subscription much cheaper every month. And actually, it's thanks to a subscription sharing platform called GamesGo. I've put the link just below this YouTube video, either in the video description or directly in the first pinned comment. All you have to do is click on the link and you'll automatically be redirected to the GamesGo platform. So what is GamesGo? It's a platform that lets you share subscriptions with other people around the world so you can save money on the cost of these subscriptions. There's really a bit of everything, as you can see here on the homepage. To really see all the available subscriptions, and especially the one we're interested in, ChatGPT, it's better to log in. So you can sign up at the top right with a simple email address to log in, and then you'll see all the available subscriptions. As you can see here, we have ChatGPT Plus, the premium version, which also includes ChatGPT 5, and it only costs 5.62 euros per month. So you see that the price is almost 4 times less. It's really a huge discount. And if you click on it, you can get more information. You can choose, for example, the subscription duration you want. You can try it out for 3 months to see if it suits you. There are 6 months and even up to 12 months. Keep in mind that the longer the duration you choose, the bigger your discount will be. Keep in mind that since this is a shared subscription, you'll be sharing the same ChatGPT account with other people around the world. Personally, I've been using the platform for 2 years now, and I don't really mind sharing conversations. In any case, no one really bothers to read what you write, and so on. If you have rather private messages that you want to keep to yourself, well, there's also an option to have GPT Solo, which still gives you a small discount off the official price. As you can see here, you still get 5 euros off compared to the official 23 euros. But if you don't mind sharing your ChatGPT subscription, you can choose to share it with either 3 people or 6 people. As I told you, I've been using the GamesGo platform for 2 years now, and it's allowed me to save a lot of money. In fact, lots of my friends and even many people in my family use the service and are very happy with it. So honestly, it's a great tip for saving money every month. And on top of that, I can even share a little promo code with you. You can enter it here in the promo code section, GUMI, like this, and it gives you an extra discount. Then to get your account, it's really simple. Just click on Join Now and you can pay by credit card, debit card, or whichever method you prefer. Apple Pay and Google Pay are also accepted, and the platform is 100% secure. I've never had any issues. Then once you've completed the payment, you'll instantly receive your ChatGPT account information in your subscription section up here or directly by email. As you can see, I have my ChatGPT Plus subscription right here. So how does it work? In fact, they will then provide you with an email address that you'll need to use to log into a ChatGPT session, and you can also display the password here. So after that, all you have to do is log in, basically sign up on ChatGPT, then enter your information, and you'll have ChatGPT Plus unlocked just like I do here, and you can use it as much as you want. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it will help you save quite a bit of money. Feel free to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.